Hey everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader, here to wrap up the day. I don't do this very often, but I'm going to do it today because I don't like sitting here every day blowing my own horn. But here's the thing. We've been talking about not fighting the tape. It's very simple. I came out, we did the wrap up last night. We talked about this 1975 area equaling 97.5 from Monday night, meaning if it's support, it's going to go. So we put a trade out against 21.5 last night, ended up long 23. Big ramp up overnight. We took that off. 9:45, we found another one we liked against 34.25. Took that one up another 10 handles. Then, we're coming back in to this 43.75 area. Can't take out the 5-minute mid band. Put another one out, and I didn't think it was going to go to 58, but don't fight the tape. Stay long. Trust the trend that's happening, and it'll work out. Take profits. So that's just a little bit what's going on in the room today. The reality is we're pulling back here, and I want to see how price reacts in the overnight. I want to see how it reacts to VWAP in the overnight. As you look at a daily, so here's the daily. I mean, you can see it here. Look, every short on planet Earth is going to be screaming topping candle, topping candle, topping candle, and they may be right, but for me, they've got to really confirm that they can put in some lower highs, that they can follow through tomorrow. The Bears' biggest problem over the last 5 years is they've never really been able to follow through. Now, the upper band is going to continue to rise to meet price. It's 26.29 quarter right now. It's probably going to end up in the low to mid 30s as we get into tomorrow. Any test of that area is going to be very, very important. If that happens overnight and it holds, then for me, it's going to be an opportunity to come in and buy yet another dip. If we see the second standard deviation upper band break down, the yellow line, then that's an opportunity for the Bears to make a little room to the downside. Do I think ultimately it's a buy? Probably. Why wouldn't it be? You cannot assume that the Bears are going to perform on a consistent basis. We were short yesterday. It was great. Fantastic. Had some fantastic shorts yesterday. Today was a day to be long. Tomorrow will reveal itself for whatever it is. But the one thing I want to emphasize to people is if you stay with the trend. We tried a couple of shorts today. I think I took -1.25 on one. I mean, we tried some shorts. You cut them. If the Bears immediately don't have it together, you cut them. And there was a nice one late in the day against our proprietary moving average 49 down to 41. I was done for the month at that point, but there were people that took it. There is a time to be short, okay? But when the market is on the 8th day of a band ride and the Bollinger Bandwidth hasn't exceeded 3.0, you can see that it's 2.88 down there. You've really got to stay with the trend. It's one of the hardest things in trading to do. So I'm here saying, look, it's going to be a volatile month. If you trade this stuff and you're not trading it well, come and talk to us. We would love to meet you. We're going to be doing a webinar on trade management coming up on Tuesday. Come check that out. It's a great way to get introduced to us and what we do. I'll be out with a webcast in the morning and trying to keep you guys, at least keep you guys safe. If you didn't buy it today, hopefully you were just flat. Being flat and frustrated is free. Fighting the tape all the way up gets expensive. So try not to do that. I will talk to everybody in the morning for the morning webcast. Trade them well, and I'll talk to you then.